má kúrò lórí ẹ̀ fílẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ìwọ náà mọ̀ tó bá jẹ́ skin product skin care product if it is not Lizzy Anjorin it can never be classy dánwò ló bí yọ ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ ìgbà kan lèmi náà ní sakadémọ̀sì lọ́rùn ìgbà kan lójú mi jóná ó ya máàpù Nàìjíríà ọwọ́ mi dúdú bí ọwọ́ mi.
Nigerian actress Lizzy Anjorin has stormed onto social media, setting tongues wagging as she chronicled her sex escapades with a diverse selection of male colleagues in the world of Yoruba cinema. During a live session, Lizzy Anjorin dedicated her time to tackling the explosive allegations thrown her way. Lizzy was confronted with accusations of a romantic involvement with none other than Kolawole Ajeyemi, the spouse of her colleague Toyin Abraham. Lizzy Anjorin, in an unapologetic clapback, unequivocally confirms her entanglement with Kolawole Ajeyemi, further disclosing that their intimacy dates back to a time when he was bearing the name Awilo and was a recognizable figure in Abeokuta. The actress astonishingly disclosed that she slept with Kolawole Ajeyemi and her male colleague, Ijebu, on the same day. Delving deeper into the juicy details, Lizzy Anjorin openly shared that she had been sexually involved with Femi Adebayo, Odunlade Kola, Mr. Latin, and Le Ray Pi more. Injecting a bit of cheekiness, she pointed out that her relationships with these actors hadn't caused any problems with their wives, making her wonder why there was such a fuss about Toyin Abraham's husband, Kolawole Ajeyemi.